Most attack helicopters can't even survive here. Siachen Glacier, 16,000 feet above sea level, where the air's so thin, engines choke, and machines fail. But India didn't build this machine to survive. It built it to dominate. In the dead silence of the mountains, a shadow cuts through the sky. HAL Prachand. No noise, no warning, just precision. Moving at lethal speed. Fully armed, where others can't even take off. 70mm rockets. Ready. Air-to-air missiles. Locked. Target acquired. And then, the mountains light up. Rockets tear through the silence. Explosions echo across frozen valleys. Enemy positions erased in seconds. No chaos. No wasted movement. Just clean, calculated destruction. Apache is powerful, built for open war zones. But this was built for the roof of the world. At 16,000 feet, this isn't just a helicopter. This is India's answer to impossible battlefields.